The number one investment opportunity in sports business right now are tools that augment the viewing experience because we're not in the stadium these days. So what has really opened teams' eyes is if they can't come in our venue, we can't reach them. We don't know who they are. It has made the importance of identity that much more important when you come to a stadium. We now have to identify you so we know where you're at. So if things happen and we can't get in touch with you, we know how to reach you. Now, how do we know that these things are happening? Teams are starting to realize, and I think BJ said this last week, that they are now sports and entertainment companies and not teams, because it's very hard to sustain the operational cost around 8 home games a year. So what you see now is amphitheaters being built around stadiums to have auxiliary concerts. You see restaurants. You see entertainment districts being built around the stadium. Why? Because we want you more to come back to our stadium more than 8 times a year and start using the cash conversion that we're looking at our touch points that we control. Because the more you do that, the more data we can collect on you. Teams and owners are starting to realize the power in their audience that they can attract over and over again. Now, being able to identify who they are, where they're coming from, and what those likes and dislikes are is the stage that we're in today. But that's what makes the mobile platform so critical in that identity process, because we know everybody's walking into that stadium with a phone. We know in the next 2 years, you will not be able to use a paper ticket. They're going to have to use the phone. So who happens to run the platform on the phone? FanReach. So we play a critical role in helping teams get that identity and get that remote connection. And then the marketing and the strategy that goes within that with our partners and Pronto and Real Life Tech and Venue Ties and Venue Next and all the partners that we have. Our goal is ultimately to blend it together to get you to that end objective of driving conversions, driving engagement, and driving identity in your fan base.